Folks that are going to spend the rest of the evening outdoors, what's that looking like?
We do have some isolated storms around, and I'm keeping my eyes on the first alert radar because of the storms that have popped up. Maybe some outflow boundaries as well could spark off a few more. But on average, here is your first alert hour-by-hour forecast on this 4th of July. By the time we get to 6, still 92 degrees, feeling hotter than that. By the time we get to 8, still in the low 90s. By 9, in the upper 80s. Sun's finally going down for all of our fireworks celebration. But I'm still keeping the rain chances around 20% for all of North Texas. You know, compared to what we saw yesterday, we still have the radar pretty active. And it's, again, a day that we're watching this right there. You see this darker green line. That's an outflow boundary. So this is a boundary that developed because of storms further off towards our north and the east that then collapsed, pushed this out. You notice that it's kind of just hanging out. And northeast of that, it's slightly cooler for us. We do have some scattered showers near Graham, stretching up to near Bryson. Really no thunder with that. You can see also some isolated showers down towards parts of Erath County into Comanche County, southeast sides of Palo Pinto County. So that's something I'll keep my eyes on. Again, southeast of this outflow boundary, any storms that kind of develop quickly could have some microbursts with them. So what does that mean? Well, we have some colder air that's going to be a lot for us into some of these storms. As they collapse, we start to see those winds then downflow, go a little bit further down towards the ground. That downburst happens for us, and those winds could gust up to possibly 50 to 70 miles per hour as we're seeing these thunderstorms collapsing. So it's something we'll keep our eyes on and let you know here from the First Alert Weather Center. Now, the Futurecast shows that the isolated showers and storms that are out there are going to be hanging on 7, 8 to near 9 o'clock to near 10, and then a lot of the activity tapering off going after midnight. Now into tomorrow morning, still that mix of sun and clouds greeting you. More of the same on the way with isolated storms popping up. Right now, we're sitting at 98 degrees officially at DFW. But it feels like 103. If you're standing in front of the grill like Dad was earlier today, it feels even hotter than that. So, Dad, I appreciate you grilling for us today on the 4th of July. 100 in Bridgeport, 96 in Arlington right now. It is cooler in Rockwall, 91, 89 in McKinney. But it feels like 100 in McKinney. It feels like 103 at Love Field and 103 in Mesquite. So this is the other story. Those feels like temperatures back up above the triple digits. So you definitely need to hydrate. What changes also is this area of high pressure in the upper levels is going to just continue to expand its way east. And as that does so, for the weekend, it's going to get hot. So our rain chances taper off. Small frontal boundary on Thursday, but then by Saturday and Sunday, we're back to the triple digits. Maybe some heat advisories issued. So please keep that in mind.